What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hammer. Welcome to Hammer on Tuesday. Man, today is Wednesday, so we're going on the Wednesday night ride. Now, of course, I'm not going to stay for the full ride because I'm actually going to be heading out of town. But I'm going to ride to the event. I'm also walk around, see what bikes show up. So right now, let's get Platinum started so we can get up out of here. What's going on, everybody? Man, it's a Wednesday. Another gorgeous day here in Maryland. And it's still a little chilly. It's not cold, but it's like in the 70s, which is, for June, that's just like unbelievable. Look at all this sand. She didn't even look. Just went across 3 more lanes. All right, so this time we're gonna try not to put more gas in the tank and hold. Perfect. There's Merc, Don. What's up, man? What's going on? Where you been?
That's how you gonna treat me rolling up?
Where you been?
I've been here. Where you been?
Nah, you ain't been no here.
Just the same area.
This heavy ass bike backing it up. Inch at a time.
How'd you get those tires with your name on them?
You talking about the cemented letters? Rubber letters?
Those are cool. My best friends actually live in the same neighborhood. So what are you rubber cemented them on?
Yeah, they're rubber letters, and you use cement to put them on. What's up, man?
Okay.
What's up, brother?
Man.
What's up, man?
Everything good?
Yeah, everything's good, man.
Yeah, good. For sure, yeah. Yeah, I've been here plus trying to, get things situated with little man, get him, doing a lot of stuff with him.
Okay.
But, nothing too major,
Yeah.
Check out, we got the boosters out here. And this is actually her booster, Diamond. And I actually did a short as well of her. My boy Mia got his bike out. My man Storm is back out. Family came out to meet him. Got CF Motos over here. Got the BMW, Ian's Honda. My man bought his Ninja H2 out. I always got the Aprilia, man. That's a pretty looking bike. Look at the pipes, the SC Project. What's up, bro? Come over here, man. It's nice and bright. Got the FZ 1000. BMW. Got the Dutch. My man Joe got a new helmet. Oh yeah, by the way, he's also a professional skater. What's up, man? What's up? Got my boy Sean KLR, the Ninja, and his ZX 6000. So it's a small group right now. My man Miguel coming with his film, but there are some other bikes that are coming out, so stay tuned. Check out the booths. 2 of them pulling up in here. Check it out. Got the BMW. What's going on, bro? All right, check them out. Boots look just like Q's boots. Nice. All right, man. So you can see, we got the boosters all lined up right here. Yes, sir. They all sweet, man. Every last one of them. Everybody got these Brock's pipes, man. He got the blue. He has the black. I have the red. Let's see what Diamond has. Let me see. Diamond has the black. Trying to get Eric to come along with us. Gonna get that Brox, open that baby up. The Prius came over here, got their picture. Then you got this S1000 RR. It's BMW. So far it's a pretty decent crowd. We hear bikes still coming. Oh, you good, bro? You good? Check them out. Some nice bikes, man. If you're in the Maryland area, doesn't matter your skill, come on out and ride. Usually it's like 3 groups that go out. You got a fast group. I don't even ride with them sometimes. I'm just like, nah, I'm trying to enjoy my ride. So you got a medium group. Then you got the group that just want to chill out, relax, you know, enjoy the ride.
Hello, I'm joking. I'm addicted to bikes.
All right, there we go. So you can see all the riders. You good, bro. So that's a CF Moto. What is this?
Also a CF Moto.
That's what I thought. I said it was a CF Moto corner. Are they torquey? That one is, okay. How many cc's is that one? 300? Okay, both 300.
That one can come up first gear wheelie though, power wheelie.
Yeah, the CF Motos have a lot of power. People underestimate them. Yeah, all right, that's what's up. All right. Look at this, man. CBR 600, R7. They pulled in together. All right, man. I had to come get the rest of the boost. 2 more pulled up. Yes, sir. So check them all out, man. This joint is sweet. Booster Alley right here. Yes, sir. All right, man, going around doing introductions. So I'm gonna show you all the riders and the crew.
Come on, man. Come on, man. What? Gen 3 boost. All right. Gen 3 boost.
So the spirited group is about to line up. But check out all these machines. Like I said before, I'm not riding with them today. But they going to DC. Police officers here to see us out. So check it out. So there are certain bikers that aren't going into DC. So we're gonna see them off. Somebody pulling it up. Yeah, she's riding that boosting. So some bikers come out just to enjoy the ambiance. Here's Keith, he missed the booster lineup. R1. Alright, so the more spirited riders are going out. Uh-oh, Kiana going with them. So that's the Spirited Rider group. There's only 6 of them going out. Everybody else supposed to ride in the pack, but we'll see how that goes. All right, looks like Eric is leading. You got my boy Bobby, and then you got Whit. All right, peace, peace. You got my boy Keith. Check him out. Diamond, Chris, Joker. All right. Yes, sir. My boy AJ about to go back to California. Woo, woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, all right. All right, my man. All right. Gotta see a moto. All right, YouTube. That's all the bike that's going out. We do got a CBR 1000 that's going out. So this is a real short video. Like I said, I'm going out of town, but I wanted to get you all the bikes. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you like some of the bikes. Hell yeah, hit that notification bell. Until next time, your boy Hammer out. Peace.